Once upon a time, in a sunny little town, lived a girl named Lily who loved school. But sometimes, Lily forgot to listen to her teacher, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas was a kind teacher with bright blue glasses and a big smile. He loved teaching, but it was hard when kids didn't pay attention. One day, Mr. Thomas brought a surprise, a magic chalkboard. It would only work when everyone listened. Lily was excited. She wanted to see the magic. At first, the students talked and didn't listen. The chalkboard stayed dark. Thoughtfully, Lily decided to pay attention. She looked at Mr. Thomas and stopped fidgeting. Slowly, the chalkboard began to glow. It showed colorful animals, planets, and puzzles. The children gasped. Mr. Thomas smiled. See what happens when we respect each other and listen. Proudly, respecting her teacher helped everyone learn and have fun, and all the way to listen to his offer. From that day on, Lily always listened well in class. She reminded her friends to listen too. The classroom became a place full of laughter and learning. Mr. Thomas was the happiest teacher in the whole town. Every day was an adventure with the magic chalkboard. They learned about stars, animals, and faraway land. Lily loved sharing what she learned with her family. The magic chalkboard brought everyone together. They all learned the importance of respect and kindness. Realizing, Lily understood that being a good listener made everyone happy. And the magic chalkboard sparkled brighter than ever before. Every student wanted to learn and explore new things. The magic chalkboard showed them that anything is possible with respect. And they lived happily ever after, always remembering the magic of respect. The end.